If you're studying Japanese for JLPT N5 or N4, come and study with us. Our complete N5 course is already available, covering chapters 1 through 12. And this July, we started our N4 course with chapter 13, releasing a new lesson video every week. Chapter 13 had 6 lessons, and we've just completed all 6. Now we're working on the chapter 13 summary video. In every lesson, we study kanji, vocabulary, grammar, and practical example sentences step by step. The example sentences are divided into 2 levels, so you can gradually step up from the easier level Saru-kun to the more challenging level Momotaro. And finally, we have a translation challenge to put everything you've learned into practice. We also introduce a few level Oni sentences for those who want an extra challenge. And there's more. This month, we've also started for weekly N5 grammar live lessons every Monday. We've already completed 4 live lessons with lots of learners joining us every week. In the second half of each live lesson, Lee and I share useful Japanese phrases that we actually use at home every day. And apparently, Lee's jokes and my reactions are becoming part of the lesson too. So whether you're studying N5 or N4, come and learn Japanese with us. 待ってるよ